If you're looking at the Mighty Mule MM371W gate opener because you want to upgrade your driveway with a smart, reliable automatic gate system, hold on. But here's what surprised me about this product that nobody tells you up front. On paper, this gate opener looks like the perfect all-weather, heavy-duty solution for wood or chain link gates up to 16 feet and 500 pounds. But after digging deeper, some serious issues emerge that might make you rethink before hitting buy. Today, I'm going to give you the honest truth. Why this $359.99 gate opener is not the slam dunk you think it is, and what you absolutely need to know before you commit. First off, if you're a homeowner who wants convenience plus security without breaking the bank, this sounds like a great match. But here's the twist. This kit doesn't come with the essential 12V battery it requires to run. That's right, the Mighty Mule MM371W needs the FM150 battery, sold separately, adding almost $100 more to your setup. So your budget might already be busted before the gates even open. And yes, I know it's a minor detail Amazon tends to bury in the fine print, but it's a deal breaker for many. Stick around, because I'll not only reveal why installing this system may cost you more time and frustration than you planned, but also why the smart features may not be smart enough. So let me break down the good, the bad, and the downright annoying about the Mighty Mule MM371W, so your gates won't just open. They'll open your eyes to alternatives. Let's start with installation. If you love puzzles, you might enjoy assembling IKEA furniture with one missing screw. That's how I felt setting up the MM371W without the BILT app guiding me. Yes, the app promises step-by-step instructions, but if your phone dies or you don't have internet access on site, you're lost. Worse, the tools you'll need, some specialty wrenches and drills, might not be in your garage. So be prepared. Installation isn't plug-and-play. Now the kit claims it can handle gates up to 16 feet and 500 pounds. Sounds solid, right? But here's the catch. Mighty Mule explicitly warns against solid surface gates. If your gate is one of those modern flush boards or metal panels, this opener struggles or just won't work properly. That knocks out a big chunk of users who expect universal compatibility. Imagine buying a universal phone charger and finding out it only charges one brand. Frustrating. Versatility is a key selling point. The MM371W proudly supports chain link and wood gates, ideally in outdoor settings. However, if your gate is heavier or exposed to extreme chemicals, dust, or debris, maintenance headaches can pile up quickly because the manual arm struggles under strain. It's kind of like asking a yoga instructor to do heavy lifting. Technically possible, but not pretty. Speaking of weather, here's a light joke to brighten your day. Why don't gates ever get cold? Because they have plenty of swing to keep warm. All right, back on topic. The MM371W works with a 12V marine or automotive battery with operating temps between and 160 OF. That's fairly impressive for extreme climates, but remember, the battery is separate. Without the FM150, your gate is just a fancy, heavy door. Adding to the smart appeal, you can upgrade with the Mighty Mule wireless connectivity kit, enabling phone control and over half a mile of connectivity. Sounds futuristic, right? But here's the problem. This accessory is also sold separately, and user reviews frequently mention inconsistent signal strength and connectivity issues, undermining the whole smart aspect and making you wish you stuck with good old-fashioned keys. Why gamble on spotty wireless when your gate is the first line of defense for your home? Also, if you dream of going green, the MM371W boasts solar capability with an optional 10W solar panel. Again, that's an add-on you have to buy separately. So far, you're looking at buying the opener, a battery, a connectivity kit, and maybe solar gear. Your initial $359.99 is creeping close to double. Rehook time. Ever wonder if there's a gate opener that's truly all-inclusive? I'll share smart alternatives after this deep dive, but first, let's talk safety because it's not all doom and gloom. The MM371W is UL 325 certified, meaning it meets federal safety standards, and it features beep warnings for obstructions. If something blocks the gate's path, the alarm alerts you, reducing the risk of accidents. That's a serious plus, especially if you have kids or pets running near the gate. Also, Mighty Mule proudly designs these kits in California and manufactures them in North America, which should mean higher quality control and faster customer support. You get 24-hour technical support and a 1-year warranty to back it up. However, some buyers complain about slow response times and limited warranty coverage, not extending to batteries or add-ons. Quality aside, let's face it, this system is a bit like buying a pizza with the crust included but no toppings. The essential parts to enjoy the full experience come with extra charges and potential compatibility headaches. So if budget-conscious convenience is your priority, prepare for some sticker shock along the way. Now let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine installed the MM371W on a wood gate expecting seamless operation. Initially, it worked great. Remote control from his car was thrilling. But after a few weeks, the gate started stalling during heavy winds, the battery drained faster than expected, and the app connectivity was spotty. He gave up troubleshooting after a snowy winter rendered the opener frozen solid. The punchline: he switched to a competitor's solar-powered model with everything included in one kit, no surprises. Here's another joke to lighten the mood. Why did the gate opener break up with its remote? Because it just wasn't communicating properly. Pretty fitting, right? In conclusion, the Mighty Mule MM371W is a solid product for those who want to automate lightweight wooden or chain-link gates and don't mind investing in separate batteries and smart gear. Its strengths lie in all-weather resistance, safety certification, and flexibility through app guidance. However, these pros come with a cost, literally and figuratively, with confusing installation, added expenses for essential accessories, and questionable smart connectivity performance. If you're okay with a DIY project, willing to spend extra for batteries and connectivity, and have simpler gate needs, this kit can work well and significantly boost your property's security and convenience. But if you prefer an all-in-one, hassle-free package, you might want to explore other brands offering solar batteries included or smarter integrated systems. Before you decide, remember the wise words. Not every gate opener is the right gatekeeper. Investing according to your specific needs and watching out for hidden costs will save you headaches, and maybe a few bucks too. And last joke for the road, what do you call a gate that's always working hard? A swinging success. If you want to grab the Mighty Mule MM371W at the best possible price, or check out user reviews and warranty details, I've dropped the Amazon link in the description below. Don't forget, weigh the costs, consider your gate type, and decide if you're ready for the extra accessories this kit requires. Thanks for watching and happy gate opening.